video.
All right. So you know what this is now, right, Jordan?
The omentum.
Okay. All right. So gallbladder was number 10. Now gallbladder is going to be here in between these two lobes of the liver. You see that little grayish looking sac? When it was full of bile, it looked greener. That's your gallbladder, and you can see how it runs down in here, the ducts.
In between the
the
liver.
liver and then the gallbladder in between two of those lobes. Okay. All right, number 11 is the stomach, so we got to raise the omentum. Where is our stomach? Okay, here's our omentum. Here's our stomach, this J-shaped organ here. You got good greater omentum, and you got a little bit of the lesser omentum here. I won't ask the lesser omentum, but I will the greater omentum. I think I told y'all.
It just says omentum.
Yeah, but I think I told y'all you need to tell me the greater omentum. Okay. Because we did identify the lesser omentum in class and everything. So stomach, greater omentum coming from the greater curvature, lesser omentum coming from the lesser curvature and going up to the liver. All right. Then the pancreas. Let's see if we can. Okay. Here's your pancreas here. It's real pink. This is a really fresh cat, okay? Not all the cats have a nice, fresh, pink pancreas, all right? There's the pancreas. This is the spleen. That's the spleen, kind of brown part over here. Pancreas, see how the tail comes over here and comes right up to the spleen. Okay. All right, pancreas, spleen. The duodenum is going to be the first section of the small intestine. So you find the stomach, you can see where you have your J shape. See that little pinching in, little, you got a little bit of dense connective tissue there. That's the beginning of the duodenum right there. Into the stomach's J, you'll see that pyloric sphincter, and then that's the duodenum. Okay. All right, next thing was the ileum, which is the last section of the small intestine. So, here's your mesentery, real thin membrane. You can see the vessels in there. Following that around until we find, it's way turned around. Okay, small intestine, notice the diameter of the tube. Notice how it gets thicker. So this is your cecum. It's kind of like got a little bit of a curve, C for cecum. Again, you can see that dense connective tissue, fatty stuff on the outside too. Okay, so ileum, cecum.
Okay.
Now don't make you do the ascending, transverse, and descending because everything gets so mixed up here. But the last section of this colon, it's really not real curved. The last section before you get to the straight part was what, Jordan?
The sigmoid.
Sigmoid. So if I have a pin way down here, I want the sigmoid colon. And on this cat, you really can't see any of the rectum. So, you know, I wouldn't ask the rectum on this cat. All right, so omentum we did, the mesentery we did. So that's everything 10 through 19.
That should be good. Thank you.